Welcome to SVGOI, a melting pot of diversity and opportunity. With over 1,000 plus international students from 25 plus nationalities, we're a vibrant hub fostering global connections. At SVGOI, learning extends beyond textbooks. Over 100 plus students annually participate in exchange programs, broadening their horizons and embracing different cultures. At SVGOI, we believe in nurturing holistic development. Our Earn While You Learn initiative empowers students to excel academically while gaining invaluable practical experience, shaping them into future leaders. Over 300 plus students each year take the opportunity to gain practical exposure while earning substantial incomes.
Hey, I'm Sechokola Padela.
Hi, my name is Bongile Yengane from Lesotho.
Hello, my name is Deodato Speech Ebijengsi and I'm from Cameroon.
Hi, I am Saidika Vanessa from Cameroon.
Hi everyone, my name is Eugene Kana from Cameroon.
Hello everyone, my name is Kinya Yoga Mrs. from Cameroon.
My name is Salma Topwanashe and I'm from Zimbabwe.
Hello, my name is Eden from Cameroon. I'm studying BSc IT at SVIET College.
I am Tinashe Nyoni, a driven and passionate student pursuing my first year in BCA at SVIET.
I'm Owen Enoch from Zimbabwe, studying Swami Vivekananda College in India.
I joined the L1 line program, and under this I was placed in CW Immigration.
I am thrilled to be part of SVIET NYU Learn program, where I am interning at CW Immigration.
I am very pleased to thank the administration, especially the international department, for giving me this privilege to join the NY Learn program. And I was placed in CW Immigration Company.
I joined the NY Learn program here run by International Department, and under this program I got placed in CW Immigration.
Here in SVIET, I was opportune to join the NY Learning program where I was placed in CW Immigration.
The NYU Learn program has been a game changer for me. I've been gaining hands-on experience as a junior designer and graphic designing at SVIET.
With my earnings, I'm able to pay my hostel fee and food fee. I'm happy I don't have to ask for money from my parents. I can study and earn at the same time.
And I thank them very much because this opportunity has made me to be able to take care of my bills here in India. Thank you.
This program provides the perfect platform for me to grow both professionally and academically.
It's incredible how this program allows me to earn while applying the skills I've learned in class to actual projects.
This opportunity not only aligns with my academic interests, but it also allows me to apply theoretically knowledge to real-world scenarios.
This experience is shaping me into a more confident and skilled professional, preparing me for the challenges of the tech industry.
So while studying here, I am very thankful for my college, thankful for everything that I've done here, and I'm very grateful, so thanks.
I'm thankful to Mr. Sonil, our head of international department, for this opportunity. I would recommend all to join this program. Thank you.
I am thankful to my college management for giving me this opportunity to showcase my talent. Thank you.
I would like to thank Mr. Soni for this opportunity, and I would recommend you all to join this program.
So we are very happy to be here, and I very much want to recommend this college to others. It's a wonderful place. Thank you very much.
During their second year of study, students delve into fields like hospitality, IT, banking, healthcare, pharma and marketing, and much more. Their reviews are testament to their success stories, earning between 30K to 50K per month while balancing their academic pursuits. SVGOI, empowering minds, transforming futures.